My daughter has been obsessed and begging for a fairy potion kit for herself ever since we got another one for a friend's birthday. I did some research, and for her, I got this fairy potions kit from Wookidel. Let's open it up, and I gotta put it away before she gets home from school. Helpful notes for use on the back. Feathers, butterflies, unicorn horns, and some green foliage. Corks for all the potion bottles. Oh, all of the instructions, including, Dear Wizard, are you prepared? So we've got the list of contents, instructions before you start making them. Oh, everything that comes in the kit. All the different potions that this book has recipes for, all the different bonus ingredients you can add. This is like a spell book. She's gonna go nuts for it. Here's the vitality potion recipe. They actually have to follow a recipe. Lucky potion, wisdom potion, add sea essence, add plume, and make your wish. Let's get to the good stuff. A box within a box. Look, that's so cute. This is the Fairy Potions storage case. Aha! Thick cardboard, because this is going to be more for ongoing storage of the potions. Everything you need. Sticker labels. Some of these have the names of the potions that are in the recipe book. Dyes. Parents, take note. Oh my gosh, it's a little cauldron currently full of bottles. 20 different bottles. Let's take a look at some of the bottles. They come in different shapes and sizes. We've got like a heart, fun little blobby shape, a star, and then a bunch of potions that are in a more standard potion shape, but these are in different sizes. Funnel! So this is great if you've got two little kids wanting to work together. You can each have your own funnel, each be making your own potion. This does seem like it would be perfect to do as a buddy activity. Little magic wand for making these potions all the more magical. A set of 2 plastic mixing bowls. Now here we've got some mix-ins. We've got gold and white stars, a little spoon for scooping. Oh, I love miniatures. These little sticky dots so that you can put your potions on these shelves once you're done and hold them in place more steadily. Look at this, a veritable rainbow of glitter. 8 different colors of glitter, beautiful, vibrant, and sparkling. This is such a fun crafting kit. As you're making your potions, you need a great place to display them, right? So this storage box actually doubles as a very cute potion display case with 2 shelves and a nice little concoction area out front. Then when you're done, everything can tuck nicely back inside until the next time you're ready to play. Super fun gift for kids, little girls' birthdays, maybe for me, because this looks very fun for me as well. Again, this is the Fairy Potion Kit from Wookidel. Hope that was helpful.